everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yadi and this is Yadi Angel Art. With the start of the new year, I've decided to focus on setting some goals for myself for how I'd like my art to grow from here. And I thought this might be helpful for some of you guys too. So I figured I would walk you through my process of making a personalized style guide. So for my first step, I would suggest you find artists that inspire you. So I have a folder on Instagram that I've called Style, and I put any piece that really speaks to me for some reason right in there, partially for inspiration, but mostly because there's something about the style that really speaks to me. The next step is to put these favorite pieces together in one place. You can see here I'm putting them all onto Procreate as one big canvas. Now, for me, it was important to get at least 3 to 4 images from each artist that really inspire me. And then I grouped each of these images together for each artist so that I can come back and know which piece came from who. Then the next step was to study and analyze the pieces. So I looked at the groups of pieces and I tried to find any patterns or similarities of things that really spoke to me in these pieces. Basically, you want to ask yourself, what about this artist's work speaks to you the most? And then the final step is to create an overall summary from everything I've analyzed so far. And then a question that I kind of asked myself when doing this final step was, what are the top things that I want to pursue for my own art? Now, finally, you'll want to keep these goals in mind as you continue to make your art. Now, for this guide, I mostly focused on overall themes, but you could also follow these same steps for more detailed style inspiration. Like if you like the way somebody makes their ears and somebody else makes the pupils of the eyes, this could be a cool way to break down what exactly you like from things like that. One quick notice that I do want to share is that it is important to keep these studies to yourself, or if you're sharing them for educational purposes, like I'm hoping this will be, it's very important that you differentiate between works that you do yourself and the pieces that you're drawing inspiration from, and make sure that you reference everyone's name on pieces that are not yours. And it's important to say that some artists might not even be comfortable with their work being posted in this way. So if there's ever a chance that somebody reaches out and asks you to take the post down, it's important to be respectful of artists' wishes over their own works. And speaking of, I will also include all the artists and their social media that I have referenced in this video in the description box below. I hope this was helpful for you all and that I was able to help inspire you along your artistic journeys. Let me know if you have any questions or thoughts, and if you had fun with me today, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next Saturday for the next one. Bye!